All right, so welcome officially to the email marketing mastery course. This course is going to lead you on email marketing and sales generation via email. But before we go into the deep things, we need to understand the foundation and fundamentals of what this course is really about. So, in this lesson, we're going to be discussing about what email marketing is and different types of email we can send and why we need to do email marketing. So basically, first think of it as email marketing is a process of using emails to communicate with your audience, to build relationship, and to sell products or services. Now, these three things are very important: communicate, build relationship, and then sell. Because the most important thing for your email to do is to actually communicate with your audience. People need to understand what your business is all about. Then after that, you need to build a relationship. The mistake a lot of people make in email marketing is that they think it's just about selling, selling, selling. But you actually need to build a lot of relationship. You need to build trust. You need to build some kind of community, form a bond with your audience or subscribers, and then you are going to sell your products and services easily. Think of it like this. You see, on social media is a crowded party. Everybody's fighting for attention. On social media, there are so many brands at the same time. They are popping up on your audience feed at the same time, and you're just fighting for a space on their feed. But email marketing is just like having a direct conversation with them. It's just you and your audience one on one. You're just talking to them directly, and then you're telling them exactly what you have for them. Maybe you're just telling them a story. You're telling them about somebody that has used your product and has enjoyed it in the last 3 months, or just something. You're just having a one-on-one direct conversation with your audience. That is what email marketing is really about. So why exactly is email marketing important? I have highlighted the five core reasons why email marketing is very important. And the first one is you own your own list. It's not like social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, where algorithms can change. But on email, algorithm don't change. It's just your own list. You Nobody can take it away. Everybody that is in your email list is just yours personally. Even when you use email marketing platforms like MailChimp and others, you still have the access to your list, and you can download your list directly to your um, PC or anything and move your list from one email marketing platform to another through a Google Sheet. So you own your own list, you have full ownership. And then there's higher ROI than social media marketing. Because in email marketing, the ROI is insane. According to studies, you make $42 for every $1 spent on email marketing. And this is just an estimate. It means that um, by the time you spend $1, you have already made about $42 from email marketing. And sometimes you don't even need to spend anything at all. It's just that when you see in social media marketing, you still need to run ads, you need to pay for Facebook ads or TikTok ads or Instagram ads. Sometimes you need to hire influencers to sponsor your posts and stuff like that. But in email marketing, you don't need to do any of that. You don't need to even pay for anything at all. Because by the time if you have 500 subscribers, like you can always get 5 people to buy your products, and those 5 people you don't have to pay to sponsor any ad or anything. They are in your email list directly. All you have to do is just send an email to all your 500 subscribers, and let's say 5 or even 50 out of them can actually buy your product. That's according to studies. Email marketing has the highest returns in all digital marketing channels. Also, email marketing is direct and personal. The email lands straight into the inbox of your prospect, of your audience, the potential buyer. The email lands into their inbox. So it makes it more personalized and more engaging than on social media. And on social media, different people are just it's like just another social media post. But email marketing is very specific. It's like you're talking to them directly. Then another thing is that email marketing works on autopilot because towards the end of this course, around module 4 or 5, I cannot remember, I'm going to discuss with you on email automation. I'm going to practice it, automation with you, and teach you how to automate email sequences that can continuously make sales for you over time. So you can send emails while you sleep and turn your subscribers into customers effortlessly with email automation. And then finally, the main reason why email marketing is important maybe I should not say the main reason, but one of the core reasons is because of more conversions. Unlike social media posts, email gets more clicks, more engagement, more sales. If you see a random social media post, an average social media post, let's say if you get 200,000 views on that social media post, there are only like 1,000 people um, that will actually react to that post or like or everything. And then out of all those 1,000 people that will react to that post, only like 100 or 10 people will actually make a purchase from that post. So, but email marketing is different. Email marketing hires a higher click-through rate, higher engagement, higher sales rate. And I just want to show you example of emails that we can send to our audience. The first example is a welcome email. This is an example of a welcome email from Lenny's newsletter. When I joined the newsletter, the email they sent is a welcome. You can see it's saying, "Welcome to a free edition of my weekly newsletter. Each week, I tackle readers' questions about products." So that's an example of an email. This welcome email is basically sent to people that just signed up to your email list or that just opt in to your website or something. This is the kind of email that is sent to them, a welcome email. Another example is like a promo email. You can see this promo email that they gave to me from Replit, St. Patrick's Day, 60% off promo. This is an example of email I can send. This is what, when you get email marketing, this is what comes to most people's mind, all these promo emails and when product announcements emails. But email marketing is more than that. Even though promo emails are one of the best ways to make sales, they are not the most important emails. There are so many emails you can send. I just use these two as examples. If you go through your email list right now or your Gmail, you can see different emails from different companies that are promo, welcome emails, or just reminder emails to check out of your cart. Or you can even send notification email like, okay, you added this thing to cart, you get a notification in your email. These are some emails you get from companies. I don't know if you understand me. And then let's look at the three types of emails we'll actually create in this course. And the first one is broadcast emails. These are emails that is sent to your entire list at once. Is like maybe a newsletter, an announcement of a new product, or you just want to let them know about a case study you ran and somebody that achieved something through your product. And another type of email we'll also be sending in this course is automated emails. These are emails that are scheduled based on actions. For example, if somebody signs up to our email list, send them so email. If somebody buys a course, send them this email. If somebody checks out or if somebody abandons their cart, send them this kind of email. Those are automated emails. These are emails that are sent based on action. Remember, based on action. So if no action is taken, an automation will not be sent. And then there is the final one, which is a transactional email. These are emails that are just triggered by specific events. A transactional email is like all those other confirmation emails that you get from platforms like Temu, Amazon, Jumia, or even HiveMind when you bought this course. Those transactional emails are example of email marketing as well. So by the end of this course, you'll have mastered all three email marketing channels and know exactly when and how to use them. So I just wanted to relax in this course, enjoy this course, and just relax. Take the course at your pace because it's a self-paced course. If you have any question, you can drop it in the question section below, and I'll see you in the next lesson. But before we go to the next lesson, let me quickly run you through what you'll be learning in this particular module. The first thing you learn is what is email marketing, which we just took right now. Then the next lesson is about understanding what an email list is about. I have ensured that I packed every lesson in this course to be less than 10 minutes so that I can keep up and so that I don't get bored easily because I easily get bored when I'm watching courses. So I made sure every lesson is less than 10 minutes. Then you also learn why email marketing will always work, brief introduction to lead generation, subscribers, leads, and customers. And then you learn about how to choose the right email marketing platform. There's so many out there. I'll show you how to choose the right one. And then we are going to set up our first email marketing campaign. Before we go to module two is where things start to get very interesting. That's where the practical starts. But you need to understand the fundamentals, which is this first module, before you go into the practical. And I'll see you in the next lecture.